Hello, wowzers, and welcome back to another episode of
Mindy's Laboratory of Biology.
Now, I don't want to overhype anything, but I think that you will find today's experiment to be pretty cool. Freezing, in fact. That's going to make sense in about a minute. For this experiment, you will need a balloon, a teeny tiny friend or two, some water, and a pair of scissors. To start, have a friend open up the balloon nice and wide enough for you to fit your little critter in. I'm going to start with a frog, and maybe a tiny rubber chicken. And while we're at it, it never hurts to add a little bit of confetti. Next, you're gonna fill the balloon up with water, enough so that it starts to take on a spherical or round shape. Then, you're going to tie the loose end, maybe get a little help for this one, and then you're just gonna plop it into the freezer. Now, here's the hard part. You have to wait for at least 8 hours for the water in the balloon to freeze. What? You don't have 8 hours? Well, in that case, just simply take out your handy dandy fast forward button like this. Now, you're going to take your frozen orb out of the freezer and place it in a bowl. Then, you're going to use your scissors to remove the balloon. Ready for the big reveal? Whoa! All the confetti, all the characters, all the critters are inside. It's cold. It's really cold. And there you have it, your very own frozen orb, stuffed with whatever you want. Don't forget, you can try another one of our 100 experiments that wow using this kit. Now, the question is, what are you going to freeze in your orb next? Ooh, this one? Maybe this one. Maybe this one? This one? Maybe this one.